Hi everyone, I'm Joseph from FAO Uganda. I'm the technical specialist for the SCALA project in Uganda, which is implemented jointly FAO and UNDP in partnership with various ministries, but mainly the Ministry of Agriculture and the Ministry of Environment. And we are mainly implementing this within the Uganda's cattle corridor, because this is a very fragile ecosystem, and it has a lot of gender disparity. Moreover, it is one of the major food baskets for this country. We have implemented the Beyond Halfway the program, but the most exciting thing is we have brought different ministries together, and ministries have always worked under projects, but now they have been motivated to work as a program, and this is basically as a result of introducing the SCALA project within the different government ministries. And it is also interesting that now the different ministries are targeting to work together for the different interventions. So this is really very exciting for us. Thank you.